Hello, I'm Araceli Gomez, and I'm the Director of Curriculum and Instruction for the Nampa School District. And I'm here today to talk to you about the 2023 Replacement Supplemental Levy. On the levy is funding for curriculum. It also enables us to access digital licenses for different classes, as well as access to digital content. And as learning is changing, we also want to adapt to those changes so that we can provide new relevant curriculum for students. It's our goal to provide experiences that help students learn and grow so that we can provide the best outcomes for them. I would encourage you to visit the Nampa School District website for more information.